Focus your channel on MCU, tech and gadgets. This niche has high potential for clarity, hands-on builds, and reviews. Target electronics hobbyists, engineers, students, tech enthusiasts, and gadget lovers. Cater to their diverse interests. Create content like Arduino tutorials, how-to projects, and code explanations. Compare popular MCUs like Arduino and 32 Spanish pesetas. Review tech with unboxing videos, evaluating pros and cons. Compare budget and premium gadgets with engaging, is it worth it? Content. Work on DIY projects like home automation, Bluetooth robots, or weather stations. Inspire creativity and innovation with your builds. Consider names like Byte and Board, the MCU Bench, or Tech Tinker. Choose something memorable and reflective of your brand. Design an appealing logo and banner that represent your brand. Keep it simple, showcasing your tools and passion for tech. Plan a content schedule with dedicated days for tutorials, reviews, and DIY projects. Consistency will help grow your audience.